Hey, what's up everybody? So in this video I'll discuss function arguments. See, a function may or may not have an argument, right? So suppose we are dealing with arguments, and here I have a function uh, and I want to find simple interest, and I pass three arguments inside the function si, p, r and t. And so if we pass the values inside the function si, it will return us the simple interest, right? While passing values, we can also pass default values. So let's say I want to define a function where I want time equals to 5 years by default, right? And here I need to pass only two arguments now, p and r, because t is by default 5. So if I pass 3405 by default, it will return me the value with 3400 as the principal, rate as 5, and time equals to 5. So each time if I want to find simple interest, I just need to pass principal and rate as arguments in this function. Okay, now, but you have to be careful about one thing, that non-default argument cannot follow a default argument. So here I have set principal equals to 5000 as my default argument, and I return the simple interest, but when I try to execute it, it throws an error because non-default argument cannot follow default argument. That means if you want to pass an argument, it should always be the variable at the last. Okay, it can be t, and if you want, you can set r also, and this is okay. Okay, but what is not okay, that if you set r equals to 2, then t, and then p. Okay, so these are non-default arguments, which is following a default argument, which cannot happen, right? So you have to always keep in mind that the non-default argument should never follow a default argument. So whichever, so let's say you have two arguments which has a default value. They will always be the last, and they will always be the last values in a function while passing arguments, right? Again, non-default argument cannot follow a default argument, so you should keep this in mind. And that's all for this video. Hope you guys understood the concept. Leave a comment if you still have any doubt, and let me know if any topic from programming, data structures, or data science which you want me to teach on this channel. And subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.